Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make an event promotion that you can use on Instagram and other social media. For this film, I use my own brush pack and brush creator, thanks to which we will make our promo in very good quality. If you like the film, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I also invite you to download Brush Pack. In the first line of the description, you will find the link. Okay, let's not drag this out any longer. Let's get started with the episode. First, we look for a few elements from which we will build the background of our promo graphic, and we choose the color of our background. At first, I will choose the green color, because most of the brushes are this color, but later I will change it to see how the brushes compose. Remember to choose non-standard colors, because every extreme is very bad. As Kibo said, I am Kibo, you won't understand it. I have a small one, and I rap as if I had a big one. As you can see, I added such a glow at the top, but we are already starting to add patterns. First, I will start with lines and then move on to triangles. The background I added here is of course available in the Brush Pack, which is widely recommended as the best graphic pack on the market, so I invite you to download it. Of course, we can mix this background freely. I will use soft light and rotate it by 90 degrees. Poopy die scoop scoop diddy whoop whoop dee I scoop die poop poop die scoopy scoop dee whoop whoopity scoop whoop poop biddy hoop scoop poop 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 scoop diddy whoop whoop diddy scoop whoop diddy scoop whoop diddy scoop poop. Fuck, sorry, I have a slight illness, but never mind, let's move on. As you can see, I'm trying to create something here, but it's worth mentioning that we first look for lines and fill the corners on both sides symmetrically. Once we find them, we can arrange them as I did or according to our own preferences. Right after applying the lines, we start applying the triangles, which are also available in the Brush Pack. Now, we will move on to applying triangles 21. Do it like I did 21 and try to combine 21 colors nicely so as not to make a mishmash pussy. We can also slightly shade our patterns to make them look more dynamic. As you can see in this package, you have a lot of different elements thanks to which you can create your own backgrounds and you will be able to earn money from it. For example, by promoting it on Fiverr or Behance. And actually watch what I do. You will learn many techniques of creating such graphics. You will find more useful guides on my channel. As you can see, you match other patterns to others, creating compositions of layers. Such art does not require years of practice, only vivid imagination. You basically do whatever you like. At this point, we will create a soft light of black panels, which we will take from the Brush Pack. We also use brushes from another folder, but located in the Brush Pack to link this project. Okay, we will use the triangles from the beginning because they are perfect for this type of graphics, but remember to change their color a bit. Okay, it's time to change the background color and add a card and text. I will use the Krysiio font, which you have available in the TikTok GFX pack on my channel. and you will also find the card there. Watch carefully how I arrange all the elements. The background color is naturally changed to burgundy red. Okay, actually, we have everything. Now you have learned how to create event promotions. Don't forget the advice you got in this episode. And remember, Spartacus Olol. We will not give up Spartacus, the best Spartacus, to the blood and bone we fight for us, Spartacus. My name is Gibbon, but they know me as Geekon. I'm Dante's buddy because that guy didn't have time to record an episode for you because he's making some t-shirts XD.